Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix American Truck Simulator gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. So for that, first you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update drive and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If this doesn't work, come back again. Here you have to select disable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. But if this doesn't work, come back again, simply select the default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next method is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version and after that, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Some other suggested methods is to clear cache on Steam. For that, go to Steam option, click on Steam, click on settings, click on storage, click on downloads, go below. Here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. Simply confirm it. After that, log into Steam and then launch the game and check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to if you are using wired plug, then you are suggested to replug it, unplug and replug it once and after that launch the game and check. Also suggested to use big picture mode. So after going to Steam, select your game under library section and here in the above section you can see big picture mode. You simply have to click on it. After that, try to play the game once you enter big picture mode and then exit big picture mode and after that launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working issue on American Truck Simulator game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.